Hey ladies, last month we launched our Made for More women's group, and what a time it was. There was almost 60 women in attendance, and it was amazing. So this month we're going to meet again on the 22nd, and I just want to invite all of you beautiful ladies to come and be a part of such an amazing movement. I don't want you to miss it. This month on the 22nd, which is a Saturday morning at 10 a.m. at Spirit of Love Ministries, our church, at 7260 Smoky Road Road. You don't want to miss it. I promise it's going to be such a refreshing time. Everybody left saying how awesome it was, how refreshing it was, how they needed to be amongst other sisters, and just being able to just relax and have fun. That's what it's all about. We're going to have some games. We're going to have some amazing testimonies. You're going to hear from me. You're going to have a chance to win some things. So our Fearless Fire Praise team is going to kick the morning off, and they're so good. I just know you're going to enjoy it. So invite some of your girlfriends over and just come and just be and have a great time with us. And all we need to know is that you're coming. It's free. We just need to know how to prepare for however many will be in attendance. So just let us know you're coming and how many you plan to bring with you. And we just look forward to seeing you. And I know you'll have a good time and you'll be glad you came.